Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about how to make your own vertex. Now, depending on the equation that you might, or function that you might have, the vertex is, as you know, the tip or the max or the min value of a parabola. So depending on what kind of form that the function is given to you, you can make your own vertex depending on the values and form that you're given. So one way that you can use it is if the parabola is given to you in standard form. Now, in standard form, it's typically given to you in this particular way: a times x minus h squared plus k. Now, the h and the k are going to be very important because the vertex uses those two letters. As a matter of fact, the vertex coordinates are h and k. Now, the one thing you want to keep in mind here is you want to go the opposite sign for the h value, and then you want to go with the sign for the k. So h is the x coordinate, k is the y coordinate. So if it's in standard form, you create your vertex by looking at what the h and the k values are, and that'll help you from there. Now, if it's in polynomial form, what that tells you is that the parabola function is given to you in ax squared plus bx plus c. Now create your vertex from here. Your x-coordinate is of the form negative b over 2a. That's the little formula that you want to use. Now, if this looks like it's part of the quadratic formula, it is. Now, to find the y-coordinate, you plug in the x-coordinate. So you can say negative f of negative b over 2a. And whatever numbers that you get for these will be the coordinates of your vertex. So depending on the form, you can definitely form the vertex from there. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's how to make your own vertex.